Hello everyone, a second video of today. This time we will be using binomial distribution for unknown probability. Here's the question. We know n, x, and the probability of the random variable, but we don't know the probability of the trial. Since we have an equation, as in the other equation with an unknown, we can use Nsolve. Press menu and add a calculator screen. Then algebra and Nsolve. As an alternative, I would like to use the catalog or Binompdf. If I press C and scroll up, I can access them. We know the trial. We are trying to find the probability. We know the x value. Write the equation. Our unknown is P and press enter. So Nspire gave a domain error. We know the domain of the probability. It must be between 0 and 1. We can easily overcome that. When we press enter, Nsolve will give us the first solution close to 0. But the question says find the possible values of P. So instead of the lower value from 0, if I set the lower value as 0.668, which is a little bit more than the given probability, I can find the other solution. That is the first method. It is quite practical, but you need to be careful. Nsolve will give you one solution only unless you specify the domain. Safest option could still be graph. So let's use the graph. Press Ctrl I to create a new tab, then graph. Here, as in the first method, press catalog and recall Binompdf. We don't know the probability. This time we have to use x. We are on the graph screen. So as you see, we have a tiny graph. Press menu, window, zoom box, and just drag a rectangle and see the binomial distribution graph. So the probability is 0.195. So we have two graphs. We need to find their intersection points. Solutions are the same as the first one. We have two possible values for P. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.